Hello and welcome to Industech Fusion 360 tutorial. My name is Lawrence and today I'll be guiding you through a very fundamental topic called sketching. We'll be navigating through the various tools but keeping it at the beginner's level so studies can be done from this point. Taking a look, you can see some bodies. You can see list of bodies, body 1, body 2, body 3. I can toggle on and off. These were made from sketches. The bodies were created from sketches. As you can see, the bodies have been toggled off and the sketches toggled on. So we'll be doing this from the scratch. We'll be creating a new page to start a new design. So we go File, New Design. I turn on my origin. You can see the different work planes. Yes, but I click on this point to have a better view. Alright, appearing at the top, the very first tool is Create Sketch. Yes, under the Create menu. So as you can see, there are lines and curves that makes up a shape and the different tools that could be employed in the course of your design. Go ahead and click on Create Design. On the Create box, we can create on any plane. So I choose the bottom plane. You could observe that we are looking at the top view, straight at the work plane. So you observe that the toolbar has changed to the sketch menu with a finished sketch at the end. Also showing the sketch palette. Yes, the sketch palette with the finished sketch also at the bottom. So don't bother about what is there at the sketch palette. Basically, we'll be focusing on the lines, rectangles, circles, line, polygons, and ellipse. So I'm going to show you the line first. You select your line, you click and click, click and click, you draw your shape, you click and click, again you draw, you click, click and click, you draw your shape again, you click and click. You observe that once I close the shapes, it turns yellow inside, meaning it's a closed shape. So I choose to draw a square this time. Yes. I can create bodies from these shapes. So we have three types of rectangle depending on what you want. So I choose the 2-point rectangle. Okay. It's just like the box creation. Just click on and on, draw your shape. Okay. Okay. The circle has 5 different kinds of circle. This is the center diameter circle. Okay. Okay. You draw your circle. I have to shift the sheet with the pen. Yes, for more space. So you draw your circle. I choose to draw multiple circles. Yes. Okay. So we go to the arc. So we go to the arc tool. Here, 3 kinds of arc. We select the 3-point arc. So as you draw, you observe that you can pull up or down. Yes, after drawing the arc. So afterwards, I choose the line tool to connect the 2 points. Okay. Another one. Yes, I draw my arc. Yes, I choose my line to connect the edges, the points. Yes, better this time. So we go on to the polygon, three kinds of polygon: circumscribed, incircumscribed, edge. So we choose the circumscribed polygon. Okay, so we draw multiple shapes. Just another one, right? Okay, yes, that's it. Yes, here and finally, we go on to the ellipse. This is more like making an elongated circle. So I draw one vertically, I draw the next horizontally. Okay, yes. So here is a bunch of shapes. I can hit the home button. You can see they are all placed at that work plane. So one more thing to show you. One more thing. Okay, that's the sketch dimension. Once you click on it and click on any line, drag it up, it shows you the dimension of that line. That's another one. And I can actually change this depending on the constraints on the shapes. Yes. So we go on to the circle. Wait a minute. So these are the constraints. Okay. Now to the circle, the dimension. That's the diameter of the circle, and I can actually change this. Yes, I can. I choose to go with 20 this time. 20. I also change that of the rectangle to 50. Yeah, we're going to change it to 50. Okay, you can see that adjustment. Yes. Then this to 40. Okay. Okay. Now we're done. We click on Finish Sketch. Automatically, the toolbar goes back to the design toolbar. Okay. Now I can use the extrude. I can click the extrude and I can extrude a body. So at the right hand, you can see the profile. I can decide to choose more than two profiles. I can choose to cancel and maybe select three profiles. Yes, this time. So at the start, you can see three options. I choose to leave it at the profile plane. Direction, choosing two direction. I can extrude both upward and downward. You can see, but let's leave it at one side. Okay, then distance, extent type, taper angle. Yes, we can leave it at the new body. Yes. Okay, let's play around with the distance. I can choose 50. Yes, let's try the two sides. You can see. Yes. So let's go for 20. Yes, a lesser diameter, a lesser distance and length. Okay. We can click OK. So you discover that the sketches on extruded disappears. But going to the browser, you can turn on sketches. So we want to extrude more shapes, more sketches to form bodies. Okay, so we select. I choose to select all this time. Okay. I extrude all to 45. Yeah, you can see that. So that is the basics of sketching. This is fundamental. In the next video, we'll explore more on this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.